Ensure the printer is turned on and ready. Press the menu button on the printer's control panel. Navigate to Network Settings. Use the arrow keys to find and select the Network or Wireless option. Choose Wi-Fi Setup. Select the option to set up a Wi-Fi connection. Enter your network details. You'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Confirm and connect. Confirm the details and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. The printer will attempt to connect to the network. If successful, a confirmation message will appear. Ensure that your mobile phone or iPhone connected to the wireless network. Open the App Store on your mobile phone, download and install the Xerox Workplace, example, Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Open the Xerox Workplace app on your mobile device. Follow the on-screen instructions.